It is said that machines cannot have souls, but then again, most machines are not this. This is the Cadillac of the sky, not forged in factories, but through prayer, precision, and proprietary brilliance. It bears the mark of its maker and the name of its king. For what is propulsion if not presence? Our engine has now been prototyped to fit seamlessly within a 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE 53. White on white, elegance outside, power within with a hint of grace, a fusion core that pulses silently beneath the hood, ready to release bursts of electromagnetic resonance. No gasoline, no roar, just massive amounts of force with a little bit of finesse. This digital Mercedes-Benz GLE 53 Hex prototype is where elegance meets elevation. A digital marvel reborn with a revolutionary flight mode, engineered not just to drive but to rise above the rest. Here lies the secret behind our automotive ascent. Argon gas, controlled and ionized, coursing through our proprietary PFG formulas, confidential but absolute. It powers the Mercedes-Benz GLE 53 Hex prototype into flight mode, not with fuel, but with precision plasma propulsion. Inside the chassis, ionized argon is directed through a dedicated hexagonal frame, funneled into a chain of inverse spheres. Each sphere spins the plasma, 5 rotations right, 3 left, compressing and accelerating its energy through harmonic resonance. The result, a straight-line burst, exponentially amplified, stable and contained. And when flight mode is engaged, actuating arms deploy, lowering the wheels beneath the car into optimal vertical lift positions. Each wheel, embedded with its own mini hex core, channels controlled plasma bursts, providing up to 1000 N of lift per corner. This isn't just a car taking flight, it's precision, power and purpose elevated. As soon as this mixture enters the hexagonal frame, something extraordinary happens. It turns into plasma. The geometry, the electromagnetic field and the frequency bursts cause molecular transformation, argon stabilizes, methylox energizes, and plasma erupts, streaming down electromagnetic pipes wrapped in graphene and gold. The core? Divine in design, it harnesses thermoelectric energy, harvested from the waste heat of combustion and plasma flow. Every cycle charges the battery. Every burst replenishes the system. It is not perpetual motion, but it comes close. A feedback loop of power, refined through thousands of equations and a little bit of holy wisdom. When burst mode is activated, the plasma stream triples in density. The hexagonal junctions shift into quantum synchronization, and the vehicle, whether rocket or Mercedes, becomes something else entirely. We achieve speeds exceeding 51,000 miles per hour in atmosphere bypass and near 80,000 miles per hour in deep space. Perfect for interplanetary round trips, orbital tourism, and future space cruise liners, offering champagne above the stratosphere. Chuckles. On minimal burn, the EMP rocket lasts over 1.3 years in consistent orbital function. That includes cruise, docking, maneuvering and micro-corrections. In burst mode, it maintains thrust cycles for 19.2 continuous hours before recharge, and even then, the core refuels itself from the very environment it moves through. It is a system in harmony. It gives back what it takes, a design only possible by stepping outside the old playbook, and maybe into divine revelation. Turbo Boost engages a series of micro-EMP loops nested within the primary hexagonal chamber. To prevent overheating, we've designed an integrated nano-mist cooling system, injecting atomized water precisely along magnetic deflectors. Not only does it reduce thermal expansion, it creates a thermal vacuum pocket, allowing for higher energy plasma without degradation. It's like pressing turbo on a starship, only cooler, literally. This is not just for the rich, this is for the world, for those without light, without access, without hope. We will bring power, mobility, healing, joy, all while carrying the name of Jesus Christ on our side, not hidden, but engraved in gold. Because this is not just a machine, it is a ministry of motion. And so, The Cadillac of the cosmos continues its journey. Forged by knowledge, sustained by light, written in equations, inspired by the word. This is the pulse of tomorrow.